everyone, I'm Suman from grade 2A. Today I am going to talk about biochemical reactions. So when I say biochemistry, you might get some questions like what is biochemistry? So let's get to that real quick. Biochemistry is the study of the chemical substances and vital processes occurring in live organisms. Biochemists focus heavily on the role, function, and structure of biomolecules. Study of the chemistry behind biological processes and the synthesis of biologically active molecules are examples of biochemistry. Now let us see biochemistry reaction demonstration in the kitchen with sugar and yeast. Let's get to the experiment. Before we get into the experiment, let us see what the things we need. All we'll need is 4 water bottles, 4 balloons of the same length, sugar, and yeast, and also a teaspoon, and also warm water. And you need to do this under adult supervision. Let's start the procedure. Before we do any experiment, safety is first. So let's pour this water into the bottle very carefully as it's hot. Now let's add 1 tablespoon of yeast in each bottle. Now let's add sugar. And we're not going to add any sugar to the first bottle as shown as it says number 0. So in the second bottle, we're going to put 1 tablespoon. And third bottle, 2 tablespoons. And in fourth bottle, 3 tablespoons. Now let's shake the bottles and put the balloons on them. Now, we put all the balloons on the bottles. Now let's wait for several hours and see what's gonna happen. Wow, look at the experiment. As you can see, we did not add any sugar, so it didn't pop up. But for the second one, we added 1 tablespoon, so it's a little. But for the second, we added 2, so it's a little bit bigger. But for the third one, we added 3 tablespoons, so it's a bigger than the second one. You see, the yeast ate up the sugar and formed carbon dioxide, which filled the balloons and made them bigger. This process is essential for making bread dough. As you can see, there are small holes. This is how biochemistry reactions are used in our daily life. Now you can see how harmful sugar is to our body. It can cause diabetes, high cholesterol in blood. So instead of sugar, we can switch to honey, brown sugar, and date syrup. Let's just see another chemical reactions. We're going to use chemical reaction to make a volcano. So all we'll need is a cup, bottles, baking soda, a teaspoon, and food coloring. I choose orange because that's the lava color. So let's get to it. Let's start the procedure. As I said, safety is first. So let us add baking soda into the container. Now add 3 drops of food coloring into the vinegar. And only 3 drops are enough. Now let us gently pour the colored vinegar into the baking soda. Pour. Oh my god! Look at the magic! It's a volcano! When exposed to acids, carbonate undergoes a decomposition reaction in which carbon dioxide is released as a gas. In our experiment, this release of carbon dioxide is the result of an eruption. This is a good experiment on how to show what will happen in a real volcano. Thank you for watching. Bye!
That's all about biochemistry and chemical reactions. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye!